Social skills and relationships. Hello, Mappineering can improve your social skills and relationships. Start with social skills or relationships at the center of your mind map. Branch out to communication skills, building friendships, conflict resolution, and teamwork. Under each branch, list specific actions like practicing active learning, engaging in social activities, resolving conflicts peacefully, and collaborating effectively. This visual tool helps you organize and enhance your social interactions. Mind maps can make your relationships more meaningful and positive. Can you dig it? I'm sure that you will. Peace.